Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, open Wallpaper and Style now to see what's active. Tap the preview for Home or Lock. This shows whether a live wallpaper is set. Once you spot a live option, press the three dots or Manage to reveal its source, system, or third-party app. You do this because removing differs by source. The system option unsets immediately, while an app must be disabled or uninstalled. Proceed to the source selection to remove the live background. If the live wallpaper comes from the system, choose a static image and apply it to Home and Lock. This replaces the live engine. If it's from an app, open Apps in Settings, find that wallpaper app, then tap Disable or Uninstall. Disabling stops background processes and saves battery. Make sure to clear defaults and storage if the app keeps reapplying. Once done, return to Wallpaper Settings to confirm the live effect is gone and a static image remains. Finish by checking Home and Lock screens to confirm the live wallpaper is removed. Make sure battery drain and CPU usage drop. If the live image persists, reboot the phone first. A restart clears lingering processes. If that fails, boot into Safe Mode to uninstall the stubborn wallpaper app safely, because Safe Mode prevents third-party apps from running. One tip: if uninstall doesn't work, clear the app's cache and data before retrying. This often removes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.